Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Vardha.
Start करा तुम्ही.
स्क्रीन दिसते?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके गुड. मला सगळेजण ऍक्टिव्ह पाहिजे ओके आजच्या सेशनमध्ये, कारण तुम्ही लोक आन्सर नाही द्याल, ऍक्टिव्ह नाही राहाल तर हे सेशन खूपच बोरिंग होईल. आणि जितके तुम्ही ऍक्टिव्ह राहाल तेवढंच इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन होईल. ओके, चुकला आन्सर तरी चालेल, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही, पण ट्राय टू गिव्ह युअर अनालिटिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू. ओके, सो आज आपण केस स्टडी घेतोय हे. So, 32-year male patient came with the following complaint. He has a disturbed sleep since almost 2 years. There is recurrent throat infection since 2 to 3 years. Patient having a fatigue, headache in the morning, and he was sure that he has an insomnia. So when he came to me, he was first sentence was ki ma'am, I am suffering from insomnia because I have disturbed sleep. There is recurrent throat infection also. There is fatigue, headache in the morning. If these type of the patient came to you, what you will do? What other is inquiry you will ask, or what other history you will ask? This is a question to all of you. Anyone please answer. What you will do, or what other history you will ask? Dipali Gonke. दीपाली, आवाज येतोय माझा?
मॅम तुमचा आवाज कट होतोय मध्ये मध्ये खूप.
ओके, आता येतोय प्रॉपरली? हॅलो,
हॅलो.
आता येतोय आवाज?
हा येस मॅम.
ओके, क्वेश्चन कळला तुला? दीपाली, तुला आन्सर द्यायचे. तुला क्वेश्चन कळला?
मॅम तुम्ही क्वेश्चन काय बोलले तेच मी ऐकलं ना, आवाज कट होत होता तेव्हाच.
ओके, लिसन केअरफुली.
खूप खरखर आवाज येत होता मॅम तुमच्या.
ओके, लिसन केअरफुली. 32-year मेल पेशंट तुझ्या ओपीडी मध्ये आला आहे, जो म्हणतोय की त्याला इन्सोमनिया आहे अँड ही हॅज अ डिस्टर्ब स्लीप सिन्स ऑलमोस्ट 2 years. There is recurrent throat infection since 2 to 3 years. Patient having a fatigue, headache in the morning, and he was complaining that he has an insomnia. So in that patient, what you will do in this case, or what other inquiry you will ask?
म्हणजे सिन्स किती दिवसापासून होत असं, किंवा इमोशनल स्ट्रेसमुळे किंवा कशामुळे, त्याचं कॉज काय आहे, त्याच्या डीप मध्ये जाऊ शकतो, किंवा सायकोलॉजिकल कॉज असू शकतो इन्सोमेनियाचा, किंवा
But if patient saying that patient's having a insomnia, so are you sure that patient having an insomnia because he has a disturbed sleep?
नो आयडिया मॅम.
ओके, ठीक आहे. म्हणजे आपण इमोशनल कॉज शोधू शकतो, स्ट्रेस फॅक्टर शोधू शकतो. व्हेरी गुड. अजून बाकी कोणाला विचारायचंय काय? तुम्ही पुन्हा विचाराल पेशंटला? कोणत्या डिटेल तुम्हाला पाहिजे, सो दॅट यू कॅन डायग्नोज द पेशंट एज परफेक्टली इन्सोमनिया, बिकॉज पेशंट इज सेइंग दॅट पेशंट हॅव्हिंग अ इन्सोमनिया. He only know that he has disturbed sleep. He is not able to sleep proper. Because of that, in the morning he has an headache, fatigueness, freshness feel नहीं होते. सो काय असू शकतं? कसं रूल आउट कराल की या फिर कसं डेफिनेट कराल की हेच इन्सोमनिया आहे?
पास्ट हिस्ट्री.
राईट, पास्ट हिस्ट्री. अजून काय विचाराल? ऑर्गॅनॉन मध्ये तुम्हाला पॉझिटिव्ह सिम्पटम्स आणि निगेटिव्ह सिम्पटम्स शिकवतात की पॉझिटिव्ह सिम्पटम्स पेशंटचे असतात, निगेटिव्ह सिम्पटम्स निगेटिव्ह हिस्ट्री असतात की काय काय आपण जे डायग्नोसिससाठी किंवा रेमेडियल अप्रोचसाठी आपण रूल आउट केलं जातं, तसं या केसमध्ये आपण काय काय विचारू शकतो?
मैम उसको इंसोम्निया है तो पहले उससे पूछ मतलब कंफर्म करेंगे कि तुम डे टाइम में अपना स्लीप पूरा करते हो कि मतलब डे टाइम में नींद लेते हो कि नहीं, या
करेक्ट.
दिन रात कभी भी नींद नहीं आती, ऐसा कंफर्म पहले कर लेंगे.
करेक्ट. ओके. सो प्रिया इज करेक्टली से कि हम लोग पूछेंगे कि नींद आती है या नहीं आती है, कितनी देर तक उठते हो या नहीं उठते हो. So when that patient come to me, he was sure about that he has an insomnia, okay, but I was not sure. So I asked further detailed about that. When I asked the further detail, I come to know about that ki tonsils enlargement, he has an tonsil enlargement that is on and off. He is unaware of his snoring. Okay, so repeatedly wife told him about his snoring. He never feel fresh in the morning. He feels very sleepy in the morning. He is having a dream of suffocation. There is horror dream in the morning, but he did not remember. He just feel that he has a dream of suffocation. Okay. Another, he is a businessman, so he is continuously busy in his business. That's why he is very disturbed, because in the morning he feels very sleepy and not fresh, and he is not able to concentrate on the work. About the past history, there is no significant past medical history except for taking painkillers and antibiotics off and on for throat pain, because he has a throat infection and tonsils enlargement, tonsillitis. There is no HTN or DM, no history of surgical or anesthetic exposure. He took a treatment from psychiatrist for insomnia, but there is no relief. So he already took a treatment for insomnia from a psychiatrist also. He take medicines almost 1 year, but he has no relief for the sleep. Still his sleep get disturbed, still he feels sleeplessness, and in the morning sleepy feeling, that headache, fatigue. So past history only having the taking painkiller and antibiotic, no HTN, DM or no any surgical treatment. The personal history, patient having a smoker since 5 to 6 cigarettes per day for the last 6 years. He left since 1 and 5 months because of the health reason only. He feel that maybe because of his smoking he is not able to sleep properly, but then also he is not able to sleep. Like complaint has aggravated, and he not feeling any recover from his complaint. He is occasional drinker. There is normal bowel and the bladder habit. When I general examine, the appearance wise, he is fair, obese. He has a thick neck. Weight is 108 kgs and height is 165 kgs. According to his weight and the height, he is obese or not?
Obese.
Correct. So he is come to the category of the obeseness. Okay. On the systemic examination, his BP is 135/88 mm per Hg, pulse is 82. CVS, you can able to heard S1 S2 sounds properly. Air entry bilaterally equal. Per abdomen, there is distension in the abdomen, but there is no organomegaly. You can see the abdomen distended, because as he is very obese, his abdomen is distended, but there is no organomegaly. And he is obese, because of that you can, when he came to us, you can able to see his thick neck, that double chin also, and thick neck. This is very characteristic. Okay, So, and he is into so much hurry, so he's not able to give me the proper history or proper case taking, so he doesn't have that much of the time. So according to the whole data, I'm not able to understand proper diagnosis. So for that diagnosis, I need to do certain investigations. But till now, I advise him, because I have no characteristic I have found. I just found the disturbed sleep. That is a common symptoms of insomnia. He's feel headache, fatigue. This is also the common symptoms of insomnia or the sleep disturbances. Then again, there is enlargement of the throat. But when I checked at that time his throat was normal. So again, I did not find out any characteristic symptoms. And for the diagnosis, I was not sure that patient having the insomnia or other sleep disorder. So I indicated certain investigations and just indicated the OPM. Why I indicated the OPM? Because OPM is the characteristic for the sleep disorder. So for the sleeplessness, I tried to give the OPM 200 single dose. And I asked him to bring the wife for the next follow-up. Because it may happen when you are in sleep, you are not at a conscious process. You are at subconscious or pre-conscious process. So in that duration, you may not able to identify what is happening with you. It generally occur in cases of the sleep apnea. Patient woke up and patient again go into the sleep. Just patient remember he has an disturbed sleep. Other than that, patient doesn't remember anything. But if the person sleeping with someone, then maybe the next persons or that another persons can identify the symptoms in a better way. So I asked him to bring the wife for the next follow. Okay, so I advise the investigation. So if you are a physician, what investigations you will ask? कौन से investigations आप लोग करने के लिए बोलोगे पेशेंट को? अश्लेषा पाटिल, क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशंस बोलोगे करने के लिए? निकिता, अश्लेषा, राहुल, दर्शना, कि किसी के दिमाग में कोई भी इन्वेस्टिगेशंस नहीं आ रहे?
मैम
यस
हेलो मैम।
यस प्रिया,
मैम उसका कोलेस्टेरॉल का वो HDL LDL।
ओके, कोलेस्ट्रॉल का इन्वेस्टिगेशंस करोगे, बट यू नीड टू डायग्नोज द पेशेंट. ओके, पेशेंट्स मेन कंप्लेंट इज स्लीप डिस्टर्ब, right Priya? So accordingly, sleep disturb, if patient comes to you for the sleep disturbance, what investigations you added to diagnose the patient? Because I was not sure about the diagnosis ki patient having the insomnia only. So what other investigations you will ask? Okay, one is cholesterol, that general routine investigations you will advise. Other? Come on, हम लोगों ने sleep apnea के इसमें देखे investigations. Priya?
polysomnography.
Yes, polysomnography, that is a sleep study. So you will advise the patient a sleep study to diagnose patient having a insomnia or other type of the sleep disorder. Very good. So हेलो, आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
Yes, ma'am. आता है.
सॉरी, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम. ओके, स्क्रीन दिसते ना? हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So I was there that I advised the investigation as Priya correctly said कि I advise him a general routine investigation and polysomnography because I have to diagnose the sleep disorder, that whether patient having insomnia or the other type of the sleep disorder. So on next follow-up after 7 days, wife gave the following data. So what data wife gave? So wife gave the, whenever he has a throat infection, that is tonsillitis, his snoring started. He almost woke up at or after 3 a.m. and then again a fall asleep. There is perspiration during sleep. So when you say perspiration during sleep, so there is maybe the choking sensation. He has aggravated by the cold air and the cold drink. Patient is very irritable and impatient in nature. He want everything neat and clean. And he was always get busy in his work. As I said, he is a businessman, but irritated by overexertion. He is always work late at night and drink lots of coffee. Okay. So there may be that coffee is one of the reason for his insomnia. There may be the stress about the work is one of the cause of his insomnia. But after 7 days, he come with the investigation. So the investigation shows, the general routine investigations, that his HB is 13.2 gram. Total count is 10,300. Platelet 2,25,000. Blood group is O positive. Sodium is 146. Potassium is 4.7. Urea is 26. Creatinine 0.9 and RBS is 134. About the cholesterol, he already done a cholesterol investigations also and it was normal. So again, I did not advise him to go for the cholesterol or the any thyroid investigations. So I just advise him for the routine investigations. Again, the sleep study, polysomnography, this was the result. Okay, this is the wave. It's not able to understand properly, but if you see the result, okay, see here. So in these, the diabetes is no, stroke no. Main is Epworth scale. So Epworth scale is 8. Okay. The snoring frequency sometime, grasping or choking rarely. He observed to stop breathing during a sleep sometime. This is very characteristic. ये दिख रहा है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
So by the sleep study, I able to understand that his snoring frequency is sometime, his grasping and choking rarely during the sleep study, his stop breathing during a sleep sometime, the AHI index is 5 and Ipworth score is 8. हम लोगों ने Ipworth score देखा था, right? This is a Ipworth sleepiness scale. So these having a 8 questionnaire and you have to total score. So 0 to 10, it's normal range of sleepiness in healthy adult. 11 to 14 is mild sleepiness. 15 to 17 is moderate sleepiness and 18 to 24 is severe sleepiness. This scale is for the diagnosis of the sleep apnea. Okay. So I was sure that patient doesn't having an insomnia, he having a disturbed sleep. It may be due to the obstruction sleep apnea because, okay, I will further tell you about this. So if you see the AHI index, so less than 5 is normal, there is no sleep apnea. 5 to 15 is mild sleep apnea, 15 to 30 is moderate sleep apnea, and more than 30 is severe sleep apnea. So patient having a sleep apnea, if one score is 8, that means it is normal or mild or what? Reply fast.
Normal.
Yes, it is normal. And its AHI index is 5. That means he is having an?
Mild apnea.
Yes, mild sleep apnea. So definitely patient doesn't suffer from the insomnia condition. It may possible that he took a treatment for insomnia. That's why he is unable to get a proper sleep, because the patient is misdiagnosed, and because of that patient को ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. So if you see the main difference between the insomnia and sleepiness, sleep apnea, many a time what happened, insomnia condition is very common nowadays. So when patient comes to you, you also think that patient having an insomnia. But it's very important to diagnose the patient properly. If you are not able to diagnose the patient properly, you will not able to advise him properly. You're not able to give the remedy properly. So diagnosis is very important. Okay. So that sleep study or polysomnography gives the idea that patient having a mild sleep apnea. So if you see the obstructive sleep apnea and insomnia condition, okay. So the main difference between both of them, obstructive sleep apnea, patient having a snoring, there is breathing pauses, that means choking sensation, which may patient able to breathe and patient not able to breathe. So that breath holding, grasping and choking sensation. There is frequent arousal due to sleep disorder breathing event. Okay, that patient feels a suffocation and then started perspiration, and that's why patient again woke up and again go to sleep. Whereas in insomnia, there is increased arousal, there is excessive focus on and high anxiety about the sleep, there is learned sleep preventive association. So patient generally having a insomnia is due to some kind of stress or some kind of thoughts, continue going on thoughts. So when I saw many type of the insomnia patient, one thing is very common. That patient is going on underlying too much stress. And when that person, he or she go to the sleep, he's continuously having that thought. So that thought level is so much increased, because of that their sleep is disturbed. But whereas in obstructive sleep apnea, patient may having a stress, but at the night patient doesn't think about that and he goes into the sleep mode. But because of that obstruction, any cause, हम लोगों ने cause देखे हैं sleep apnea के, so that cause उस cause की वजह से patient having and breath holding and grasping, दोनों के common symptoms ये सारे हैं. There is frequent awakening, there is difficulty in falling asleep, there is unfresh sleep, there is fatigue, daytime sleepiness, attention, concentration, memory, impatient, there is social and occupational dysfunction, mood disturbances, reduced motivation and energy, frequent accidents because of the रात को अगर sleep properly नहीं हुए तो morning में patient may feel sleepiness, worry about the sleep and decrease quality of the life. Okay, these are the common symptoms. ये समझ में आया main difference between sleep apnea and the insomnia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So according to these and according to the proper investigations, I able to find out the cause that he's having an enlarged tonsils. That may be the one of the reason for his disturbed sleep, because he having a recurrent on and off tonsils infections and enlargement of the tonsils. There is work tension is one of the reason for his sleep disturb, and the AHI index is 5. That all able to understand the diagnosis is he's having a mild obstructive sleep apnea. Any confusion for diagnosis?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. Look, why it is important to study the diagnosis purpose or the clinical point of view, because you all are right now in a 4th year, right? After that you will go into the internship and then maybe you started practicing. So in a practicing you may found out patient having come to बहुत सारे एलोपैथिक फिजिशियन के पास जाके पेशेंट अपने पास आया हुआ रहता है, या फिर डायरेक्टली पेशेंट आता है एंड पेशेंट सेज कि मुझे ये डिसऑर्डर है. मेनी अ टाइम ड्यू टू प्रेशर वी आल्सो थॉट कि अगर जैसे साइकेट्रिस्ट ने बोला है कि पेशेंट को इंसोम्निया है, सो पेशेंट को शायद इंसोम्निया ही होगा. but you should able to keen observer and you should know about your knowledge. You should able to diagnose and then gives the proper remedy. अगर patient undiagnosed रहा, remedy हम लोग देते ही है, right? Find out the characteristic symptoms or any type of the symptoms. So अगर मैं पेशेंट को इंसोम्निया ही डायग्नोस करूंगी कि पेशेंट ने बोला है कि इंसोम्निया है, सो मैं आगे का सोचूंगी ही नहीं कि उनकी वाइफ को बुलाना चाहिए या फिर डेटा लेना चाहिए ज्यादा का. सो जो बोलते हैं ना जनरलाइज व्यू पॉइंट यू हैव टू कीप, कि सारे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को ध्यान में रखते हुए यू हैव टू कम टू द डायग्नोसिस एंड देन गो टू द रेमेडियल अप्रोच. ओके. So I have diagnosis that patient having a mild obstructive sleep apnea. So where we can see the patient characteristic symptoms is patient woke up at or after 3 a.m. He's perspired during the sleep. He is very ambitious. There is enlargement of the tonsils. Patient is irritable, impatient nature. He wants everything neat and clean according to his wife. So he is very fastidious. Always get busy in his work but irritated by overexertion. Aggravation by cold air and cold drink. And there is dreams of horror and the suffocating feeling. So when I first indicated the OPM 200, पेशेंट को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा. पेशेंट को कुछ लगा ही नहीं कि मेडिसिन लेने के बाद कुछ फर्क पड़ा है करके. So OPM doesn't act in that case. What do you think? What is the different remedy? क्या रेमेडी देनी चाहिए according to this symptoms?
Arsenic album.
Okay, arsenic
album.
Okay.
Nux vomica.
Nux vomica. और किसी को अलग रेमेडी लग रही है? नक्स वोमिका, आर्सेनिक अल्बम. किसी को कोई अलग रेमेडी नहीं लग रही है? एवरीवन थिंक इट इज आर्सेनिक और नक्स वोमिका.
मैम बेलाडोना भी हो सकता है ना?
ओके, बेलाडोना. ओके, द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक सिम्टम्स हियर, look, मैंने इसमें मार्क किए हैं. ओके, so that patient woke up at after or 3 a.m. Okay, there is irritable nature. He wants everything neat and clean. That is fastidious. Aggravation by cold air, cold drinks, and dream of horror and suffocating feeling. So when we see the OPM, okay, the remedy comes here is like OPM, arsenic, nux vomica. Okay, belladonna generally doesn't come because in belladonna हम लोग क्रॉनिक कंप्लेंट के लिए बेलाडोना जनरली नहीं देते हैं, एंड इन दैट ड्यूरेशन द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक डजंट शो द बेलाडोना कंडीशन. ओके, सो द आर्सेनिक, नक्स वोमिका एंड द ओपीएम, these three type of the remedy comes up. Arsenic also comes up after the 4th or the 5th remedy. Okay, initially the opium and the nux vomica comes up. So I was confused between another to give the opium 1M because the patient saying the symptoms, or the try to nux vomica. So I differentiated between the both remedies. So the opium, in the opium condition, patient is sleepy but he cannot sleep. There is sleeplessness with acuteness of the hearing, that clock striking and the cock crowing at a great distance keep her awake. There is loss of breath on falling asleep. Beds feel so hot that he or she cannot lie on it. He's move often in search of the cool places. Must be uncovered. Patient is sleepy but cannot sleep with a great drowsiness. Patient having a dreams of cat, dog, black forms, pleasant, fantastic, amorous dream. अपने पेशेंट को क्या था? पेशेंट फीलिंग अ सफोकेटिंग हॉरर ड्रीम. पेशेंट डजंट रिमेंबर, ही रिमेंबर समथिंग अनयूजुअल ही सॉ. प्लीजेंट सपने उनको कभी नहीं आते थे. And his suffocative attack during a sleep like nightmares. Whereas in nux vomica, there is characteristic symptoms that patient cannot sleep after 3 a.m. until towards morning. He falls asleep when it's time to rise and feel heavy and unfresh. It is also a remedy for those who drinks too much, those who abuse of the coffee and drinks. those who are subjected to the abdominal disorder and a sluggish portal circulation. It is also the curative cases where sleep is unattainable except for a stimulant. The symptoms of nux vomica are better after undisturbed sleep, worse when sleep is disturbed. Sleepiness from mental overwork, from too close study, and especially at the night. And there is dreams of full of bustle and the worry. So there is a dreams of unpleasant dreams. Patient cannot sleep after 3 a.m. This is very characteristic. There is mental overwork or the mental stress, and patient drink too much of coffee, tea, or the drink. In our patient, these all are matches. So what are the remedy? So I indicated patient a nux vomica. So the nux vomica 200 initially gives a 200 single dose. Later I increases the dose. So in first follow-up only I able to identify कि patients getting better. So he started feeling at least fresh. जब हम लोग medicines देते हैं तब it may take a time because it's a chronic case and he's having a sleep disturbances since 2 years. So धीरे धीरे करके it acted very well and patients has improved sleep. Not only remedy has acted, but I advise the patient that to decrease a weight because it's very important when he having a thick neck and having a tonsil enlargement. It also one of the cause for the obstruction during a sleep. So I advise him you have to decrease the weight. So he started joining a class, he started gym, and slowly he decreased his weight. As he decrease weight, his also sleep is get improved with medicines and with decreased weight. Take a proper diet, no oily food, no fried or no outside food, and stay away from the cold drinks. So with that advice and the indicated remedy, his sleep get better after some time. सबको समझ में आया? किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चंस है?
No, ma'am.
समझ में आया?
मैम
Yes.
जब उनका कॉज थ्रोट इन्फेक्शन है ना तो उसको क्यों नहीं ट्रीट करते?
Yes, even nux vomica can take care of that throat infection. It's a chronic complaint. No, it's not a acute tonsillitis. His throat complaint is since 2 to 3 years, right? And when he came to me, he doesn't have that throat infection. He's saying that whenever he is a businessman, so he's continuously into the AC and that drinking cold drinks and cold food. So in a winter or in a on and off, he's having that throat infection. But because of that, it's one of the cause. His thick neck, his obesity is also one of the cause for the obstruction. So you have to see the whole picture. Okay, ये जो case taking का part है, मैंने बस थोड़े से आपको symptoms दिखाए, mental symptoms या फिर physical symptoms, modality. But जब complete history हम लोग लेते हैं, so it covers all the symptoms. So I take all the symptoms considering the picture of the patients and then indicated the nux vomica. So it also take care of the throat infection also. Okay?
यस मैम.
किसी को कुछ और क्वेश्चंस है? Yes, Rahul?
मैम
Yes.
sonography है. So we don't know na how to read it. So when do we learn it?
Yes.
Like we have completed, so we don't know about ECG. We are